Hello my dear students, how are you all? So welcome to the KCET Rank Booster series. Okay, this is session number 2. We are here to discuss 20 plus, again 22-25 questions I've taken. We'll discuss most important, most expected questions, which will be a mix of PYQs and other questions as well. We'll solve them in the session today and get very confident after all these questions. Let's check who all are here. Okay, I can see a lot of students already waiting. Sorry bacha, I was a little late. Okay, I hope you can clearly hear me first. First thing is, please check, am I completely audible? Is the video okay? Everything is looking good? Yeah. So I can see a lot of you waiting for the series. Good afternoon sir, good afternoon Ramesh. Hi sir, hi Abhiram. Megashri, can anyone give the link for part 1 video? Do one thing, it's there in the live bacha. Go to the channel's playlist in the live. You will find that the sessions will be there. If not, I will ping that sessions live link out at the end of the session. Okay, so I'll do that. Megha, then other good afternoon sir, good afternoon, hello, hi, second PUC marks. Okay, yes, it is calculated, used 50% board marks. Yes, okay, hi sir, hello, Phoenix is there, Arjun is there, crazy boy. Okay, lot of students are there. Okay, hi sir, hi bacha. I can see a lot of students are there, so we can start. I think, yeah, we can start the question number 1. For all of you are waiting, sorry I was a little late, forgive me for that, and we're starting right away with the question number 1. Okay, so 1 second, I think something is wrong here. I'll just yeah, all right. I'm not able to edit this. I'm not able to use the laser pointer, so just checking that part. Yeah, sorry guys, just a second, I'm not able to edit this. Okay, so I'll just quickly check this out. It's a technical issue. I'll just check it out and we'll resolve it. Okay, 1 second, sorry guys, just a minute. Okay, just a minute, we'll do this. Okay, so something isn't right over here. I'm gonna check it right now. Yeah, I think it'll be okay now. So let's start. So I think PPT was not editable bacha, so we just change that right now, and I think everything is going to be great. Okay, I think now it works, so please check. Yeah, now it's working. So the PPT was not editable. I have made that change. Sorry, there was a lot of delay for all of that reasons, but now it's okay. Question number 1 is in front of you. Please solve this question. Okay, it's a very good question. It's not a PYQ. It's a very good question that I've taken from the chapter. You can see we'll have to use what here? Inverse function we have to find, right? We have to find inverse function. Basically, this is from the chapter R and F from PU2. From the PU2. Who all are solving it? I can see a lot of comments are there. Hello, hi. Okay, yes, bacha, how are you sir? I'm good. Malika Arjun. Okay, good afternoon everyone. Let's start. Question number 1, I want the answers. You remember me? I'm here to get the answers, then we'll solve the question. So question number 1, please solve the question number 1. Okay, so I want the answers from you. Shraddha, hello. All right, so the inverse function of this, what I'm going to do, please check. I'll take this function as y equals to 8 power 2x minus 8 power minus 2x upon 8 power 2x plus 8 power minus 2x. Okay, you can see there's a pattern. Okay, if you add this 2 part, it'll become cancelled. So I'm going to take this relation 1 plus y upon 1 minus y. Why sir? Because please check here, I'm getting this relation 1 plus x, 1 minus x, like that is there. Okay, everywhere in the log you can see 1 plus x, 1 minus x is there. Okay, then why I'm doing 1 plus y? Because I can find the x as a subject over here and then change the variable. That's how we find inverse. So from the given expression we try to make x subject. Right now y is the subject of the equation, right? We'll try to make x as the subject, and from there we'll change the variable x to y and y to x. That's what we do, right, in inverse. Okay, so I can see answers are coming. C is not right bacha. C is wrong. I'll tell you why C is wrong. Please check here. I have the base as 8. Here the base is E. Okay, for all of you who are checking, please check, option should be B actually. Please check here, log with the base E is there. So I cannot do that, right? So to make the log base change formula I have to use. That's why it is log 8, log of E with the base 8 and log of this whole thing with the base E. Okay, chaliye. Yes, so everyone who is giving option as B is correct. Even though people who gave C as the answer, that also was very right to the correct answer, but I told you why it is incorrect. I'll solve it right now. If you do 1 plus y, what are you going to get? Please check. If you do that, if you add 1 plus y, what will happen? You are adding 1 to this, right? It means the denominator will remain same, okay? And you have to add this to this. So please check, you'll have 2 times of this and this will be cancelled. Correct. Now you'll have this plus this will become 2 times of 8 power 2x. And of course you'll have a denominator. What is that? This part, this is 1 plus y part, divided by 1 minus y. If you do, you're going to subtract, right? If you do subtraction, this and this will be cancelled if you do subtraction, okay? So you'll have this minus of minus this, making it 2 times of 8 power minus 2x, and of course you'll have the same denominator over here also. Right, so this will be cancelled, bacha, please check, and this 2 also will be cancelled. I'll have 1 plus y upon 1 minus y as 8 power 4x. How come, sir? This 8 power 2x will go up. Sir, too many arrows. No problem, I can do one more step. Not a problem, sir. I don't want to have any confusions, okay? I'll do one more step. I'll write like this, 8 power 2x upon 8 power minus 2x, giving me the value of this as 8 power 4x. 8 power 4x. Now you can check here. I want x as a subject, means I have to do something. I have to change this. I have to make this. Right now this and this is exponential form. This and this is exponential form, sir. Okay. I want to convert into log form, to take log on both sides. With what base? With the base 8. So log with the base 8, we have 1 plus y upon 1 minus y equals to 4x. I want the x as subject, will become x equals to, please check, 1 by 4 log 8 1 plus y upon 1 minus y. This is your answer, right? From here you can check the answer. Yes. Yes, Ghost, you can get the class notes. Don't worry, you have to join the WhatsApp channel. There you'll get every class note available, okay? Don't worry. So how do you solve this? I told you after this, what are you going to do? Change this x to y and y to x. Just do that. You'll have to write this as y and this as same thing, 1 by y log 8 1 plus x upon 1 minus x. Which option is true, sir? Option B is true. So there's a log base 8 here. There's a log like this, log to log. That's what the formula is, right? Whatever is here, let's say I have log p with the base 8. Write like this, log of p, log of e with the base 8. Just one thing, a property I'm showing you, times log of p with the base e. The base change formula, right? The base change formula. If you apply that concept over here, you're going to get this as the option number B. 1 by 4 log 8 of e, okay, and same thing, log of base e with the thing. Clear, right? What is a good question? A very good question. Okay, my job is to give you the questions which makes you think. That's why the session's name is KCET Rank Booster. It gets you to the next level, okay? Question number 1 was really challenging. Let's solve question number 2. Okay, I'll just check for some doubts if you are having. Sir, I have purchased Abhyas KCET test series, so do I need to follow this YouTube series or would the test series be enough? Yes, bacha, if you want honest answer, test series has its own features. I'll tell you what, this series, one thing, this series has extra, this particular series has extra. First of all, this is free. Second thing is, you get to talk to me, you get to ask me your doubts, okay? So that has advantage. Of course, there are some questions which are not there in test series. So we try to give you some additional information also there, right? Test series has some other questions. Over here, you have different questions, okay? PYQs might be same if they are there. Otherwise, I take different questions, and in the test series, the questions are different, okay? So each has its own value, Phoenix. Over here, I would say the most value is going to be your interaction with me. See, you ask a question, right? That's the most valued thing of this live KCET Rank Booster series, okay? So if you can follow it, this is very, very beneficial for all of you. Let's start now. So question number 2, I already got the answer. Yes, all of you, my champions here. Very good. I'll give you a trick. How do you solve this question, sir? Y is giving equals to x square plus x plus 1. Acha, for all of you who are there in the live, I'm telling you, very soon, I think by today or tomorrow, you'll get a trick session, one more session, as you were asking, okay, including more example questions. So I'm giving you one more session for trick question, trick for all the chapters which is there, where possibility tricks are there. So please stay tuned to solve that, to see the session, and remember those tricks. Okay, because if you've seen the session, that will not be good enough. You have to, you know, watch it over and over again to remember all those tricks. Okay, so I'm going to use one of the trick over here that I'm going to teach you in the next session. What is that? Y equal to x square plus x plus 1 is my function, of course defined in the natural number. The trick says if you find the y derivative and it has unique nature, please check. What is it? Going to be 2x plus 2, 2x plus 1. Excuse me, sir. It has 2x plus 1. Okay, x is a natural number, right? It means the y dash is going to be positive. Can it be 0? X is what, sir? A natural number. It means it has to be either 1, 2, 3 like that. It will become always positive. Hence, you'll have the trend of y as always unique, increasing in nature. So 1, 1. Now what about onto, sir? What about onto? Please check. What we have, can you make this? For onto part, what we have, x square plus x plus 1, right? I'm going to write this as x square plus something very important. I'm trying to make here perfect square, bacha. I'm trying to make here perfect square, okay? Please check. I'll write here 2 times of x times of 1 by 2. Please check. A square 2ab. So we'll write here 1 by 2 square. Extra I've added. Remove that part here. 1 by 2 square plus 1. Check here. I get x plus 1 by 2 the whole square. I'm getting over here minus 1 by 4 plus 1. This part is making x plus 2 the whole square, right? And this will become x plus 1 by 2 the whole square, and will be, sir, what? 1 minus this, no? So plus 3 by 4. This is the value of y. Try to put y equals to infinity. Okay, you're gonna get the rule is, the property is actually, please check. Okay, yeah, I'll tell you, bacha. I think Ghost is asking. I'll tell you what. When x is tending to infinity, bacha, square of a very big number. Infinity means a very big number. Square of a very big number will be what, bacha? It will become also a very big number. Good for us. But if you check, x is tending to minus infinity, no? What happened to y, sir? A negative very big number. What is x value? A negative very big number. Plus 1 by 2. It will be staying a negative very big number. The whole square, it will make it positive. So it will tend to infinity only. Hence, not onto. Hence, not onto. Please check. For this to be into, right? For this to be into, sorry, onto, this has to be negative actually. If it was minus infinity, no? When x tends to minus infinity, y should also be minus infinity. Then it will become onto actually. But in this case that we have y equals to infinity. In that case, option will become 1, 1, but not onto. Clear or not? Yeah. Sir, I have completed my 11th. What to do next? Focus on 12th, revise 12th again. Okay? Okay, Acha, you are in 11th grade. But for you, again, we are planning so many things as we did for 12th graders. We are planning so many things for 11th also. Stay tuned. I think in 1 or 2 days, you'll have a live. We'll talk about 11th. Okay? Very soon. Okay? Sir, may sir say most accurate questions, please? Most accurate questions? Most expected questions, right? Yeah, bacha, we are gonna give that. Don't worry. We are coming with, just stay tuned to the channel. We are coming with most expected series, especially for KCET subject wise. So we'll be here to deliver all of the content that you need. Okay? Yes, sir. Clear. Great, great, great. Anything else I missed? Guys, anyone know where to download the notes? Please join the WhatsApp channel. The link is given in the description of this video. If not, then we'll at the end of the live we'll give the link. Over there, you're gonna get the every session's PDF available. Okay? Sir, your voice is so sexy. Oh my God, that is right. Okay, I did not know that. Nobody has given me this compliment. Okay. Yeah, before 2 PM offer is valid. Yes, before 2 PM offer is valid, bacha, for KCET series. Chaliye. So ask sir for the link. Okay, I'll just if you want, I can ask team to give. Okay, I'll ask the team right now to give you guys a what do you call the Abhyas link. Okay, Abhyas link. I'll just ask the team link with offer you guys want, right? With offer. But yes, it is valid only till 2 PM. Okay, chaliye. Yeah, okay, let's start, bacha. Let's start question number 2. I hope you had fun in the question number 2. Now, this is something I wanted to share because we were very happy. You know, we had a little bit of celebration and something again coming for all of you also. I will let you know in the live session. We are having one live session scheduled today, which is very important for PU2 boards, whichever I've given PU2 boards. There's a surprise for all of you. So, whatever was the result, there's a surprise for all of you. So, please join the live session at 3 PM today. Okay, so again, we were very happy till yesterday. Okay, we had a a group where we get together. We were meeting all the students. Such a great result from our offline centers. Okay, so Deeksha offline centers. If you check here, in science segment we have almost 15 students in top 10 ranks. Okay, please check 595, 595, 594, 594, 594. So if you are somebody, okay, who wants to start the offline series session, if you want to start in 11th or 12th, whatever it is, you can, if you want, you can choose to join us in your journey, and in our journey as well. We'll try to make a very good result out of it when your exams are there, whether you're writing from 2026 or 2027. Okay, so as you can see right now, for science we had 5, 6 coming twice again, 6th, 7th, 594 was one more time, 7th, 9th, 10th. Okay, again you have 590, 590, 590 in science segment, and in commerce also we had 594. That's a very good marks, commerce. Okay, 594, 591, 591, like that. Okay, so again in my online segment also we have got a very good result. Okay, please teach fast. Yes sir. Okay sir, somebody is saying, Asrar Ahmed, please teach fast. Okay bacha, I'll start solving questions only now, don't worry. Okay, these questions are enough for exam. Bacha, this statement is incorrect. Okay, if I can give you the 60 questions which is coming for examination, will that be fair? You will say yes, but that's not how it works. Okay, what we are doing over here, we're trying to make efforts to solve the questions. But if your question is, are these questions are the level of the examination, they are either of the level or more than that. Okay, I'm giving you the difficulty level of either PYQs or more than that. So if your question is whether the questions are suitable for examination, yes it is, but are they enough? The question does not justify the examination. Okay, so I hope you understand that. Okay, this was for Vijay Lakshmi. Okay, but these type of questions, yes, see, this question I think has come, similar question has come twice or thrice in examination. Okay, let's solve it. If a plus pi by 2 tan inverse of x, answers now. So do sessions on permutations and combinations PYQ. I think I have done some questions. I have done PYQs of PNC, bacha. Please check in my part 4 of PU1. Okay, please go ahead and check it out. I have done a series. I have done a session on the PYQ. It's a club chapter together. We have done I think 3 or 2 chapters together. Part PU1 chapters you check in top 30. I've done the questions. Please go ahead and check the session. Okay. All right. So B, I'm getting the answer. B is not right, bacha. B is not right. Let me solve this question. A plus pi by 2 is there. I can see from here 2 tan inverse of x. This is for Asrar. You said, sir, solve the questions. Please teach fast. I'm here. I understand your time is very valuable. Plus, what I get? Plus cot inverse of x, right? Plus cot inverse of x, right? Have a look. This will become, bacha, a plus pi by 2. This side I have b. Again a plus pi by 2. Have a look. This is going to be 2 common. I have tan inverse plus cot inverse. So pi by 2, there's a property like that. Complementary ratios. Tan inverse plus cot inverse will be pi by 2. This 2 is common. Okay. Plus I have cot inverse of x. To b, I'm getting what, bacha? 2 and 2 is cancelled. I'm getting a plus pi by 2. This is nothing but pi plus cot inverse of x less than b. No, we know the range of this value lies from 0 to pi. 0 to pi we have already for cot inverse of x, right? I want to have a relation for pi plus, so add pi on each side. So I get pi plus 0, pi plus cot inverse of x, and pi plus pi is 2 pi. Compare now. We are getting, please check. This is same as this, so I get a plus pi by 2 as pi, giving me the value of a as pi by 2, and same, bacha, b is going to be simply 2 pi. So answer will be pi by 2 and 2 pi. Option C is correct. Let me know. Okay, option C is correct. Let me know. I hope this is clear. Okay. So let's start now. Question number 4. 3. Any doubt you have? Acha, I want to encourage one thing. If I'm, let's say, going faster, you can ask me your doubts. Okay, I will come back and explain it to you. I don't want you to feel that, sir, I don't want to ask the question because others are going at a pace. It's okay. You can ask me your doubts. Even if you're stuck in the question number 3, question number 2, I'll try to give some time. Okay, if not right now, at the end of the session. Question number 4 now. Please give me the answer. So can you teach once again? Can you teach once again, bacha, what you're saying for this question? Third one, right? Please check. So this is the property I use. I have broken this 3 cot inverse of x. Acha, I want to do one thing first. I want to show all of you. For all of you who are attempting the question, please attempt question number 4 right now. Okay, and then let me clear your doubts of your friend. Okay, I want the answer for the 4th one right now first. Okay, and for somebody who's asking the 3rd one, please please break cot inverse in terms of 2 cot inverse plus cot inverse. Over here you can take 2 common, you get tan inverse plus cot inverse of x. Okay, that is nothing but, this part is nothing but pi by 2 into 2. Okay, this remains as it is. It will become pi plus cot inverse of x. We have this is the range, right? This is the range of cot inverse of x. Okay, I have relation for cot inverse of x, but I want the result for pi. Why I want that? Because I want the value of a and b. So I have to add pi on both sides, as all the sides actually. So adding pi plus 0 is pi, pi plus pi is 2 pi, and this will become pi plus cot inverse of x. Now if I take this as my equation 1 and 2, I can compare, right? Please check this part is same. It means this part has to be same. So b is 2 pi and this has to be a plus pi by 2 is pi, hence a is pi by 2. Doubt is clear. Question number 3 is done. Question number 4 now. Okay, question number 4 now. Okay, chaliye, done. Let y equals to this, bacha. We are looking for y regarded as function of x, maximum value. Okay, so dy by dx we are looking for. Actually maximum means derivative. Okay, so dy by dx we are looking for. Please check. We can write here, bacha, dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Okay, I think I have the answers already. B, Srinivas is saying B, Meaningful is saying D, Sweta is saying B, Panda is saying A. Okay, please check. Answer should be, bacha, actually C, I think, right? I think answer should be C. I'll solve it. I don't remember the answer. I'll solve it. Okay, so I get this value as A is as it is, a constant. 1 will become 0. Cos will be minus sine, so it becomes minus of minus sine theta. This is done. A as it is, theta becomes 1. I have over here as minus cos. Theta is 1 and sine is cos. Okay, I have to find the critical value, maxima, minima. Okay, first thing is to find the critical value of the theta. For that, I have to put it equal to 0, derivative. A and A is cancelled. I'm getting here 0 equals to, please check, sine theta upon 1 minus cos theta. Okay, great. I'm going to move this on this side. I'll have, please check, sine theta equals 0. It means theta should be equals to n pi, means multiples of pi, right? Option should be, I have in this case 1 pi. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. I hope this is clear. So everyone who has given the answer as option C. Okay, I would suggest you Saminathan to watch the master stroke if you have time. If not, then yes, you have to solve PYQs. Right now try to learn the concept from the questions only. Okay, so option C is correct. Question number 5 now. Question number 5 now. Please check. Question number 5. Achha, for all of you who are asking, I can see that the Abhyas KCET link is now available in this chat box itself. Okay, live chat. Offer applicable till 2 p.m. So please, if you are somebody who is looking to get that, get before that. After that, again, price will go back to 1498. Okay, chaliye. So 5th one, I think option is C, correct. Oh, sorry, option is B. Everyone give me the right answer. Option is B, correct. Sir, why did you take 0? Asrar is saying, why did you take 0? Bacha, we put this is the way to find the critical points. Remember, critical points, right? That's the steps of finding maximum minima. No, first step is to find what? Derivative, correct. Second step is to find a critical point. Okay, and third step, how do you find that? By putting dy by dx equals to 0. And third step is what, bacha? Third step is to find the second derivative. Less than 0 means what? Please check. It will be maxima, and if it is greater than 0 means it will be minima. That's the property, right? It will be minima. I took a judgment call because we don't have to go that way. We can try to differentiate this by quotient rule, but we don't have to, because we can see the from here only we can see sin theta will become n pi. That's good enough. We have only one option as n pi, right? What is the answer? N is the only integral value. Okay, chaliye, only integral value. 4th is done. 5th one, I already got the answers. Yeah, sir, how can we solve faster while guessing? Yeah, of course, bacha. If you can see, for example, over here only I could see, right? Option A, B, D cannot be right. They are not multiple of pi. Are they integral multiple of pi? They are not. They are in fractions form. It means option A, B, D is wrong. Option C has to be right. Okay. I saved some time. Otherwise, I have to solve this third step. Find the second derivative. Quotient rule. It will take some time to do it, right? So I saved some time doing, eliminating the options A, B, D. A, B, D. Yes, you have to always look for that approach. Question number this is the property, right? For this, max value is root of, please check, a square plus b square, right now the coefficients. So we'll have 1 plus 1. This is maximum, and minimum will become what is it? Again 1 plus 1. Sorry, forgive me. Yeah, I'll just change that. 1 square plus 1 square, but this time we'll have a minus sign. This is for minimum. We'll get over here minus root 2. Please check. It happens at the value of x equals to pi by 4, I think, right? Yeah, no? It'll become 1 upon root 2 plus 1 by root 2, right? So it'll become, basically, you'll have a 2 upon root 2. Answer will be root 2. You want minima, hence it'll become minus sign. It'll become negative for the minima. Please check. Okay, done. All of you agreed, right? So I think everyone got this question right. Okay, fifth is done. Question number 6 now. Who's solving this question? This will take some time to solve. Let's solve this question. 6. Preeti, no sir, final exam will be same difficulty as the test series, or will it be more or easier? So I'll tell you what, usually it will be easier only than the test series, but in the test series also we have given mixed type of questions. We have not given always difficult problems, okay? Because the goal was not only to solve the question, goal was to solve the questions in 60 minutes. You have to increase and work on your speed, right? So we have given not only difficult problems in the test series, it was to make a overall improvement in your preparation. For that reason, moderate to difficult was there. Okay, so usually either below that level or that level only. It will not be difficult than that. Yes, now 3 to 4 questions can be difficult than that. That can be a surprise to you, but don't worry, other 55 can be solved easily. So don't worry about the last 5. Worry about the 55 that is coming. Focus on that and get that 55 marks. Okay, if not 55, at least 50 from there. Okay, chaliye. Hi Prajwal, hi BTS. Let's solve the question number 6. Please check. I'm looking for derivatives at this point. Derivative at this point. So I'm going to do one thing. I'll find the function value at this point first, and the derivative on this side. Derivatives I'm going to find on this side. Okay, so first the function value at this minus 1 by 2. Please check. 2 will be like this. It will be negative, so it will become minus x. Minus 1 by 2, negative value. Mod will open with a minus sign, so minus x. Over here, open with a minus sign one more time. It will become plus x minus 1. Again, it will open with a plus sign, right? Minus 1 by 2, if you put as x, it will become 1 by 2. So it will become plus only, so minus x minus 1. Check out here. I get this and this cancel, this and this cancel. Answer will be 2 minus x, right? Derivative of this which becomes, have a look, it becomes minus 1, because for 2 will be 0, for x will be minus 1. Okay, clear now? I want your attention for this question. Okay, so I can see, hi sir, kaise ho? I'm good bacha. Okay sir, thank you. Chaliye, let's start this question. Bhagya, hi. Question option C is right. No, option C is not right bacha. Option C is wrong. Okay, option C is wrong. This was from Yogeshwari. Please be with me. Y at 1 by 2. Please check y at 1 by 2. You'll have 2 as it is. It'll come out as positive because it's going to be plus 1 by 2, so it'll be positive only. It'll become one more time negative, so minus will become positive. We'll have plus x minus 1. I hope you're getting it right. If this part is negative, bacha, it means it'll come out as negative. The mod will open with a negative sign. There's already a negative sign over here. Yes or no? If this entity is negative, it means mod has to open with negative sign to make it positive. I'll repeat myself. If this entity inside the mod is negative, then mod has to open with a negative sign to make it positive. And that negative, if it is working with this minus sign, will become plus or not. Please check. This minus sign is outside minus of x minus 1. It will become plus x minus 1. I have used that only over here. Plus x minus 1. Over here also plus x minus 1. I hope you can see that, okay? Again, you have 1 by 2, it will become positive only, so minus x minus 1. Okay, please check. I am getting here x and x cancelled. I have here 2 minus 1 cancelled. I have only x left. Hence y dash at 1 by 2 is nothing but, please check, 1. This was x, okay? So I'll get here plus 1. This was minus 1, okay? Now I'm going to move on to y of 3 by 2. Let me know if you're getting this question, okay? Let me know if you're getting this question. All right. Hi Harish. Hi Punit. Yes, your answer is right, Punit. So yes, your friend, hi. Chaliye. So how minus 1? I told you, no, derivative of minus x, bacha, here. Somebody is asking how minus 1, sir, for the first part. Derivative is minus x. No, derivative of this part will become minus 1 only, no? That's why. I'm looking for derivative, right? Derivative of minus x will become, sir, minus 1. Okay, here I have x, so plus 1. This is derivatives, okay? Please check. I'm looking for y 3 by 2. For this, it'll be, sir, again 2. It'll be positive, so plus x. It'll be 3 by 2 minus 1. This time it is positive. 1.5 minus 1 is positive. It means I'll open with a minus sign, so minus x plus 1. Over here, there's the minus sign, no? So it'll become minus x plus 1. Again, it'll be positive only, so minus x minus 1. What I'm getting here, 1 and 1 is cancelled. I have here x and x cancelled. Derivative now. This will become 0, this will become minus 1. So derivative at 3 by 2 will become, please check, minus 1, right? This will be 0, sir, and this will be minus 1. Same way, y at 5 by 2, please check, 2. It will remain almost same only, no? Plus x minus x plus 1 minus x minus 1, because the trend will be same, okay? Positive, 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 then the minus sign will apply, positive, then the minus sign will apply, okay? So please check, we'll have the same result. X and x cancelled, 1 and 1 cancelled. Derivative of this will become 0. This will be coming out as derivative of at 5 by 2 will also become minus 1. You're looking to add all of it. If you add all of it, this and this cancel, you have minus 1 plus minus 1, result is minus 2. Somebody has already given me the answer. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Please check. Option D is correct. Is that clear? Yes. So Guru Raj give me, and one of the other student also there. Sweta is also giving me option D. One more guy was there, okay, who will give me the answer, but I think he deleted his comment. He wrote 2 here, but answer was actually minus 2. So I thought something was a mistake. But yeah. Do you like the question? Fun or not? So you can see the challenging level. So I've tried to take the questions which will make you think. Okay. These are questions which are difficulty in, are difficult category problems, not easy problems. Okay, these are not easy questions. Okay, difficult only. Chaliye. So Sabiha is saying, sir, nice sir. Your friend is saying nice sir. Okay. All right. What nice, bacha? So done. 6th one is done. 7th one now. Acha, before that, so already you guys asked, no? So you can see here, you can avail all of it at the price of Abhyas KCET at the price of not 1499, but actually at a price of what, bacha? 998, okay? Please check. And if you are looking for Comet K crash course, okay, and if you want to write Comet K for a better, rank, because there's less competition there, okay, then we are launching Comet K crash course also from 18th. In that you get 12 mock tests, you get complimentary, you get complete syllabus coverage of 11th and 12th, you get 5 years previous year questions, live dot solving sessions, class notes and recorded revision videos. Again, this will be taken by us only. So we faculties like Somik sir will be there for physics, chemistry, your favorite Ashwarya ma'am, I'll be there for mathematics at 1999. At 1999. Please go ahead and purchase if you're writing the Comet K also. Now we're gonna go to the question number 7. Okay. Chaliye. Question number 7. I can see. Yes. Who's solving this question, bacha? I want the answer from all of you. Question number 7. Give me the answer from all of you. Come on. It's a question like I love to solve using the graphs. That's my hint. Use the graph to solve this question, but not right now. First, find derivative. Asmita, good afternoon. You're late, bacha. Are you late? Okay. 1 second. Good afternoon, Bhagya. B is wrong, bacha. B is wrong. B is wrong, guys. B is wrong. Okay. Why all of you are saying B? A also is wrong. C also is wrong. Option D is correct. Okay. Let's solve this question. Chaliye. So I will solve this. We have y equals to tan inverse of sin x plus cos x. Okay. I want to find increasing, decreasing means I have to find a derivative. This much is clear. Find the derivative. Now I get y dash equals to, please check, 1 upon 1 plus whatever is over here, square of that. So sin of x plus cos of x the whole square. Is the question over? Derivative part? No. I have to apply the chain rule. I did for tan inverse, I have to do for this part also the bracket. Sin will become cos. Sin will become cos after derivative, and cos will become minus sin. What is the next step? Trend, sir. Whether y dash is positive or negative, you have to look for that. Think about it. We are looking for increasing means y dash has to be positive in nature. Y dash has to be positive in nature. Increasing function, right? We're looking for positive. Think about it. 1 is positive number? Of course, sir. This whole square. Positive only, right? It's a whole square, either 0 or positive. Again, it's a positive number, so this does not matter. So this part, 1 upon this part, does not affect our nature of the derivative. So nature is only affected by this condition. So whether this is positive or negative, that will change our derivative sign or not. Yes. So basically, y dash will be depending upon this. So cos x minus sin x should be greater than 0. Move over here, we get cos x should be greater than 0. Sorry. 0 plus sin x, okay, forgive me for that. And I get from here sin by cos basically becomes tan x, and we'll have less than sin now. Please check. I'm going to move this cos over here, right? So it will become sin by cos. It will become sin by cos. Yeah. Great, great, great. Okay, I can see your comments. Now it's changed, okay? So it will become tan x is less than 0. Graph is there for tan x. Please check the graph for tan x. This is pi by 2. This is 0. We want till pi by 2 only, right? We want only till pi by 2, right? Yeah. Great. Please check. So if you take pi by 4 to pi by 2, pi by 4 is somewhere over here, is positive, sir. In this range, it is positive, means option is wrong. Okay. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Bacha, this is minus pi by 2. From here to here it is negative, correct, but here it is positive. I can't take both condition, can I? I can't take both condition, okay? It means, sir, if you're thinking this way, sir, increasing I want. If you're thinking this way, I want increasing. Sir, it is increasing. Question is, sir, option B, no. Sir, increasing function, option B, no. Bacha, we are not talking about this function. This is y equal to tan x. Our question was this actually. Understand this. This is just to understand the nature from here. Okay, we are actually looking for tan negative, because when tan is negative, this derivative is positive. It means that, okay, it means that, I'm telling you once again, when tan is negative, derivative is positive, it means the function given over here is actually increasing in nature. So we don't have to look for the increasing function of the tan. Tan is not the function. Tan is the derivative from, result from derivative. That is part clear, right? Usually what happens, you'll see the increasing nature, you take the option B. Wrong. I'm looking for less than 0. That's my result. I want tan x less than 0. Very important. Okay. So if you take this option, you have negative, but you have positive also, means both cannot be true. You want only negative. Okay. Same 0 to pi by 2. Please check 0 to pi by 2 from here to here. Positive. So option C is also wrong. Option D is correct. I hope this is clear. I have tried my best to make it clear for all of you. Okay. Had fun? Had fun? Yes. Okay. Sir, will KCET exam be formula based? Yeah, bacha, mostly concept and formula based only, na? They won't ask you a lot of derivative based questions. Of course, not only that formula, properties will also be there. Properties of graph, if there is a graph question, or ITF, calculus properties, whatever is there, properties will also be used. But yeah, I'm telling you, out of 60, 30 will be easy questions. Okay, so focus on the formulas, properties very, very carefully. Shraddha is saying, hi, Shraddha. Yusuf, sir, maths, I'm thinking of studying only NCERT textbook. Will it be enough? Bacha, why NCERT right now? Questions is more important, no? Questions is more important. Right now, bacha, okay, NCERT is good. Again, that's the basis of everything which is there in KCET. But you have to solve questions, right? And how you do that? You can take questions. We are doing a lot of series on the YouTube. You can take any of the mock tests if you want. If you want, you can take our mock test. Okay. So your choice. Try to solve questions right now. Okay. Even if you're aiming for 50% in mathematics, try to solve questions only. Don't rely only on NCERT. Direct questions of NCERT will not be able to come. If you solve only NCERT, you'll get maybe 10 questions right. Okay. 10, 12 questions. You'll not get more than that. All right. So let's start question number 8 now. You guys, question number 8, another fun question. Let's solve it. Do you like the questions level or not? I've tried to keep it. For intentionally, I've given the questions, difficult. All the questions. Not taken any easy. Yeah, some maybe. But mostly I've taken questions which is gonna make your brain work. Let's solve question number 8. Answers, please. Yes, sir. With that also, like, I need 50 plus in all my boards. I don't think I have done well. Yusuf, do one thing, bacha, I am gonna solve questions right now. We'll talk to you in detail at the end of the session. Please don't mind, okay? I have some questions to solve. I have total of 20 plus questions to solve, okay? So just bear with me. Already 40 minutes are over, okay? Option C is right. First answer was from Ashmita. Option C is correct. Please check. So what we're gonna do over here is, I can write this as log of 10 E. I can write here ln, or basically in your terms you guys like log better, no? So write this as log. I like ln better, but you guys like log better, so we'll write log only. So log e to the x. Please check. This is how I'm changing this, okay? Same base, I'm changing the base form approach I'm using for logs. I have dx over here. This is a constant, right? Keep it outside. Log e 10 is the outside constant. Integration will become log ex. We have 1 as the constant. Into integration I'm going to use the by parts now. So I have I let, this is option, integration of part 1, this is part 2, okay? So I'm going to integrate this part, remember? So the rule is log e the with 10, with the base 10 I'll keep this integration, so it will become x. And right now it is ln x, because log with the base e is there, minus sign will come. X integration of 1 is going to be as it is. Derivative of ln x will become 1 by x. Of course we have dx, this and this is cancelled. My answer will become, please check, log e with the base 10. We have x, ln x integration of nothing means 1. So I have minus x over here plus c. Option is going to be option C only. Option C only. Ishita, hello sir, do you remember me? Bacha, yes, I hope you have joined my, I think, previous sessions of live, okay? Bhagya sir, my board is 72 out of 80. How many marks I want? Okay, Bacha, you can easily score 150 plus. Think about it. Can you not score 50 in your chemistry examination? 30 are very easy questions. Okay, if you work hard, if you have actually worked hard, you'll get that 20 part easily. 50 plus you can score easily in. 55 you can score in chemistry. Again 50 odd you can score in your physics and maths. Easily 40 to 50 you can score. 30 will be easy questions. I'm putting so much effort for you to score only, right? So you can score 150 plus, you'll get a very decent rank. Don't worry. Okay, just believe in yourself. Okay, do they ask tangent and normal questions? I have not seen any like that in the PYQs, okay, for the last 10 years that I've analyzed. Okay, let's solve this. Okay sir, 9th one. Sorry guys, I'm taking a little time to solve the questions because I'm talking to all of you, but but I want you to understand my point of being here is to talk to you only. Otherwise we try to give you recorded sessions, correct now? In the recorded sessions we provide everything to you, but when I'm coming live it means I want to take your questions. That's why I'm here. Okay, otherwise I can record and give it to you, right? That will be more convenient, but I want to be here with all of you. Chaliye. So question number 9 now. This was done. 9th, options. I cannot see answers from all of you, bacha. Harish, Shing, Rohit Jan, answer I can see. Puneet is giving me answers all the time. Yes, Puneet. Proud of you, Puneet. Very good. B is right answer. B is correct. How do you solve this question, sir? 0 to 1 is there. I'll write x plus 1 minus 1, keep e power x outside. Okay, property will be used over here. 1 plus x the whole square is there with dx. I'll use this and this together. I get 0 to 1, x plus 1 upon 1 plus x the whole square. Then I have minus 1 upon x plus 1 the whole square with e power x I have with dx. Please check. I'll cancel one of these over here. I'll have 0 to 1 integration. It'll become 1 upon 1 plus x over here minus 1 upon 1 plus x the whole square over here with e power x dx. We have a property. What is the property, sir? This is going to be my function fx. This is my property f dash of x. Integration is going to be what? Please tell me. It'll become e power x fx plus c. Actually, but in this case we don't need c, we have a definite integral, so we'll have e power x upon 1 plus x because fx is 1 by x, right? From where to where, bacha? From 0 to 1. E power 0 is like this. Sorry, e power 1, no, forgive me. Upper limit, sir, my mistake, bacha. So e power 1 I have over here, 1 plus 1, upper limit is done, minus lower limit, e power 0 upon 1 plus 0 will become e power 1 is e by 2 minus e power 0 is 1, 1 by 1 is 1, answer is e by 2 minus 1. Option B was right. Puneet gave me the right answer. Okay, sorry, not only Puneet, a lot of people have given me. Sir, make shortcuts more, sir. I'm making Yogeshwari. I made one. No, I'm making more shortcuts. Don't worry. Okay, it'll help you. And I keep giving you shortcuts in the questions also. Please follow my sessions. Okay. All right. So I get a lot of sir. Whether there will be JEE mains level questions this year? Do you think as the time? Okay. No, bacha. JEE mains level question will not come. JEE mains level is a different level, okay? The syllabus is different. The course itself is different. You will not have JEE mains question. JEE main asks you, less questions, in that much of time. You are solving 60 questions. Your problem is not questions. Your problem is time management. Work on that. Take some mock test, okay? If you already taken, very good. If not taken, you take somebody's, okay? If not ours, somebody's you take, okay? If you want ours also, you can take. Right now it is at 500 discount till 2 p.m. Okay. Question number 9 is done. Option B is correct. Question number 10 now. Now, this I'm going to use a trick to solve. I'll explain the trick right now, but I'll also give you this trick in the trick session that I'm going to record very soon for all of you. Okay, chaliye. Sir, how many marks should we be scoring in mock test right now? So one thing I would like to tell you is please maintain your energy in the mock test, okay? Even if you score 30, 40, don't give up. Don't give up, okay? Because I have done that. When I get less marks, I have given up and I did not end up at a good result at that point of time, okay? So what you should do is you should actually be consistent. Whatever score you're getting, try to make an improvement. That is the one thing. Second thing is you should be getting around, if the paper is moderate, get around 55, 50, okay? That range. If it is easy, yes, 55 plus. Chaliye. 10th is done. Because we are aiming for 150 plus only. We are not aiming for less, okay? Our aim is big. Our goal is big. Okay, will out of syllabus come? Bacha, this time it will not be there. It has happened in the last year, but it will not come this time because there was a lot of controversy last year, but it will not happen. We are hoping for that. No out of syllabus questions should come this year. Okay, I can see options are coming now. C, C, A, B. C, A, B, all wrong. Option should be, I think, D, right? Option D is correct. Please check. It's a very good question, my personal favorite, okay, because it uses a lot of concepts. Please check. So I can, first of all, I'm looking for B theta by A. B theta by A. All right. So guys, for the next few minutes, please pay attention on the screen. I'm going to solve this question. Okay. Ajay is laughing. Why? Something happened, bacha? Okay. Let's solve this. Cos theta. Of course, I have to use substitution. So before that, I'm going to make some room for myself and be what? Please check. Cos theta, d theta is there. I want to have only sine. Okay, let's just do that. 5 plus 7 sine theta. Why I want only sine, bacha? That's again a judgment. I have cos in the numerator, okay? If I take sine as the substitution, cos theta d theta will become dt. Won't you all agree? Yes, okay. And minus 2 will become some minus 2, 1 minus sine square theta. Chaliye. From here you can see I have plus 2 sine square theta and minus 2. So I'm going to make some changes now. Have a look. Plus 2 sine square, I'll write it in the front. Plus 2 sine square theta. And I have plus sine theta, plus 7 sine theta, sorry. And I have 5 minus 2. So 3. Okay. Now comes substitution. What is the substitution? Bacha? Sine theta, sorry, as t. It will become cos theta d theta as dt, right? So please check. I'll have dt divided by 2t square plus 7t plus 3. I can factorize this. 6 to the, so 3 to the 6. I can, yeah, right. Possible to factorize, sir. We can have this as, please check, 2t plus 6 will write. I can take 2t plus 3, 2t plus 3 and t plus, so 2t plus 1 and t plus 3, sorry. How, sir? If you're asking me how, okay, I can do in my mind, but I'll tell you why. Please check. 1 into 3 is how much, sir? 3. Please check over here. And 2t into t will be how much? 2t square. 2t into 3 will be 60 and t into 1 will become t, so 70. Works. If you want another hint, please check here. I'm getting here 2 sine plus 1, sine plus 3 over here. Okay, most of the options are like this only. Okay, so gives me a little bit of clue about it. 2 sine plus 1, sine plus 3 means 2t plus 1 and t plus 3. If you want, you can factorize also, not a problem. Okay, my judgment I've taken like that. Okay, great. Let's continue with this. Great. Now over here, please pay attention. The trick comes. Otherwise, it will become a very big question, okay? Trick. The trick is put t equals to minus 1 by 2 once and minus 3 once. Okay, when you're putting minus 1 by 2 as t, what are you going to do? I'm writing the direct integration, okay? What are you going to do? Ignore this, which will make 0. When you're putting t as minus 1 by 2, ignore the factor which is making 0. This is making 0, right? So we'll ignore that and put it over here. You'll have 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 3, and you'll have, now whatever is you have ignored, put that in the log. If you're taking log, right, after integration you have to divide by 2. I'll repeat my step. Please follow me. Please, pay complete attention on the board right now. It's a trick, okay? So put t as minus 1 by 2. We have two factors, no? 2t plus 1 and t plus 3. From here you get minus 1 by 2. From here you get minus 3, okay? So from when you're putting t as minus 1 by 2, ignore the factor that makes 0. So I've ignored that. This is not, what is this, bacha? This is t plus 3. Correct or not? And whatever you have ignored, put that in log. ln 2t plus 1. Since it is log of 2t, 2 of the variable, okay, you divide by 2. That's how you do integrate, right? Remember, if you had integration 1 upon 2t plus 1 integration, what is the answer going to be? Log of 2t plus 1 divided by 2. Same thing I've done over here, okay? Chaliye, I'll erase this now. This part I'll erase. This is clear? Okay, great. So give me 1 second. We have this same way. I'm going to put this as minus 3. So this time I'll have, of course, plus sign you add. When you do that, you'll have minus 6 plus 1. Minus 6 plus 1 is how much, sir? Minus 5, right? 3 into minus 2 is minus 6 plus 1. We can't take this, it will become 0, right? And that you're going to add with log. So ln t plus 3. From here you can get the answer. This step is enough. What are you getting over here? Please check. 3 minus 0.5 will become 2.5. 3 minus 0.5 will become 2.5. How much is that? 5 by 2. So I get 5. And of course, the 2 will be coming over here. 1 upon 5 by 2 into ln 2t plus 1. I have divide by 2 is there. Minus 1 by 5 ln t plus 3 is there. 1 second. T plus 3 is there. Okay. Chaliye. T plus 3 is there. Great. This 2 and this 2 will cancel. I can see 1 by 5 is common, so I'll just do that. I'll take 1 by 5 common. I'm getting log this minus this, okay? So I'm getting ln, what is it? Please check. 2t plus 1 by t plus 3. T plus 3. Bacha tell, sir. Okay. All right. You look good, sir. Bacha tell, sir. Till at what time class will be, sir? It'll be, bacha, I've done total 10 questions. I have 10 more to go. Little longer. It'll go around 2:15, okay? Okay, can we use this trick for integration of this type? Of course. That's why the trick, okay? Please check the option from here. 2 sin theta plus 1. Which option is true? 2 sin theta plus 1. Why like that? Because we're looking for b theta, right? This is the value of your b theta. Okay. And your a is what, sir? Your a is 1 by 5. This is your a. A is 1 by 5. If you divide that, you'll have 5 over here. That's why 5 times of 2 sin theta plus 1 upon sin theta plus 3. Option D is correct. Had fun in this question? Had fun in this question? Yes, sir. Of course you had, because I had fun solving this question, okay? So 10th is done. Question number 11. Now, sorry I took some extra time for all of you. This question, I've given this trick. If you've watched my session, number 1 for the short trick, answer will come as option C. Again, I've taught you this question also, the full-fledged method. It was a long question, but answer, if you remember, the standard result, okay? Y is equal to 4ax mx. Answer will come as option C. Please go ahead and watch my session on short trick number 1, okay? Sir, I find integration hard, sir. I also find integration hard, sir. Okay, not easy for me. I also learn, sir. I don't know everything, sir. Okay? It's okay, bacha. I've tried to, teach you so many times. Please watch my sessions. Solve the questions that I've given you. Okay, practice simpler ones. If you still can't do it right now, we don't have time to learn new things. Skip it and focus energy on others. Okay. Solve basic question of integration to make those, to get the marks in those simple questions. Otherwise, focus energy on others. What are the basic questions? Do one thing. Join the mock test, and in that, solve all the mock test and try to solve easier questions from there. That'll be good enough for you. Don't solve very difficult problems. Okay. Chaliye. Shortcut method, sir, I have given already, sir. I have given that. Option C is correct. Everyone, your names. My name is Ankit. You don't know my name? Okay, sorry. My name is Ankit Srivastav. Question number 12 now. 11th, I wanted to show you because this was a very important question. I've given in the trick also. Please go ahead and watch my trick session on this. Okay, you guys asking your own names, huh? Sorry, I intervened there. I did not understand that part. The distance between the foci of the hyperbola is 16. 2a is 16. They've given e is root 2. Put it here. 8. I get a into root 2 as 8 square now. A square into 2 as 64. 2 cancels, 32. A square is 32. Okay. Please check. In that case, what will happen? It's rectangular hyperbola, right? Yeah, root 2 means rectangular hyperbola. Correct. Means you'll have this value also as 32. Making this answer as option A, right? Please check. 12th is done. All of you. 12th is done. Chaliye. So please check. Yeah. Sarath is saying your teaching is so good, all questions are understanding. Thank you, bacha. That's that's the ultimate that I can get from from my profession. Okay, if somebody says that actually I'm making a difference, that makes me really happy. Okay, chali. Option A is correct. All of you got the right answer. Yes. Great, great, great. Bacha, Varsha, I would not tell you to lead the chapter because this is high weightage. As I said, please solve easier questions. Remember all the formulas that you can do, no? Please, I'm requesting you to remember all the important formulas. Solve easier questions because some questions might come like that, okay? So please do that. And solve, one more thing guys, I want, for all of you struggling with integration. First step is to know all the formulas in that. That is non-negotiable. Second is easy problems. Third is, bacha, what you can do is questions on substitution. Okay, this kind of questions repeats all the time. Questions on substitution. Okay, substitution of log, trig. And if you can solve the mock questions, mock test question you can solve, bacha. We already given the Abhyas KCET. In that you have mix of easy and difficult. Solve the easy questions from the mock. That's your way of last minute integration revision for all of you who are struggling in integration. This works? Chaliye. Great. But integration almost 6 questions comes, okay? 5 to 6 questions comes every year in the integration. That's why. Yes, certainly. I think one of the timetable is given by ma'am. Please go ahead. It's a very, very good timetable. Please follow that. And for 7 days also we're going to give you strategy. Don't worry, okay? So that will be giving you. 12th is done. 13th now. All right. Okay. No problem, Varsha. You're welcome. Please solve question number 13, everyone. Okay, 13th everyone can solve, right? Yes, sir. P will get here d square y upon dx square equals to 1 plus dy by dx the power 4 the power 3 by 4. I want the fraction out, so I'll take the whole thing to power 4 on both sides. Fraction will be cancelled. I have over here, please check. This is my result. D square y upon dx square power 4. From here you can check. Order is 2 and degree is 4. Option A is correct. Sir, why this easy question? It comes. That's why it's easy question. Okay, that's why I've taken it over here. Okay. Yes. Chaliye. So your answer is here. Option A. Okay. 13th A is done. 14th one now. This problem from matrix, please check. Can you solve it? Whenever you see a power n, try to find a square. Try to find a square. What are you gonna get? Please check. You'll have this with one more time, right? 2 minus 2 minus 2 2 2 minus 2 minus 2 2, right? Minus 2 2. What I get? 2 2s are 4 minus 2. I'm gonna do like this, right? Please check. So 2 into 2 is 4 minus 2 into 2 is plus 4. You get 8 over here. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, minus 2 into 2 is again minus 4, so minus 8 over here. You'll get over here minus 8 and minus 8. I want in terms of A only, right? Please check here. I want in terms of A. I'm going to take here 4 common. I'll have 2 minus 2 minus 2 and 2. I'm getting here 4A. That's my A square. If I'm writing here for A cube, please check. A cube will become A square into A, right? What I have. So I'll have, please check, 4A into A. What I get? 4A square. So I can write here 4 as it is. What is going to be A square value? One more time, 4A. Answer is 16A. please check. So my a cube is coming as 16a. A cube is 16a. A square is 4a. Now you have to check for the option, right? Powers of 2. Powers of 2 I want, right? 2 power k is there, na? 2 power k is there. I want the value of powers of 2. Please check powers of 2 in terms of n, in terms of this power, okay? Great. So I can write here 2 power, this will not work, right? This will not work. As we won't have power to power, you'll have 2 power. Please check. I'm writing this 4 as 2 power, 2 times of 2 minus 1. This will work, right? 4 is going to be 2 power, 2 minus 1 is how much, sir? 1. So 2 power 2 is 4. Now 2 power 2 into 3 minus 1. Will it be 16? Please check. 3 minus 1 is, sir, how much? 2. 2 power 4, it will become 16, correct. So answer will be 2 power 2 times of n minus 1. Compare this with 2 power k from here. So you'll have k value as 2 power 2 times of n minus 1. If you want, I can explain you once more. Please check. What is this 4, sir? This is coming from a square. It means, what is the n value from here? N value is 2. N value is 2. It means 2 minus 1 means n minus 1. What is this 16, sir? It's coming from a cube. Please check. A cube is 16. A, okay? So it means, sir, here n value is, please check, 3. This is my n value, okay? So one more time I'm getting n minus 1. So I'm getting basically this power as 2 times of n minus 1. Hence I have to compare this with this power. I get k equals to 2 times of n minus 1. Option should be D. It's a very good question. Please check. Simple but good question. Okay? Alright, all of you. 14th option, bacha, is actually D. So I've got only one right. Punit has given me the option D now. Others, please check. Others, please check. Is it clear now for everyone? Is it clear now? 14th D is clear or not? 14th D is clear or not? Is 14th D clear or not? Guys? Chaliye. So we'll continue with 15 now. Okay. Okay, this question again, why this question I've taken, bacha? Not a difficult problem because property is repeated. The job is not to make a question difficult session. Job is, our goal is to make our, a high rank, session. Okay, which we can get more marks. Again, it's a question which is always repeating in the PYQs if you check. Okay, properties of symmetric and skew symmetric from the matrix. So what are you gonna do? They've given here P and Q symmetric means P transpose is P and Q transpose is Q. That's what they've given. Symmetric matrix. They're asking PQ minus QP. Right here PQ minus QP as some vector X, okay, and take transpose, X transpose like this. I'm taking this PQ minus QP as some vector X, okay, some matrix X, forgive me. So for I get this value as PQ transpose minus QP transpose, giving me this value as Q transpose P transpose minus P transpose Q transpose. That's what happens when you take transpose in the multiplication. It reverse. This comes in front. This will go there. We'll have this value as QP. So we'll have PQ because P transpose is P and Q transpose is Q. Take my sign common. I get here minus. It'll come in front. So PQ minus QP basically minus X. I'm getting this value of XT as minus X means this matrix. Please check is nothing but skew symmetric matrix. Done or not? Please check. Okay. Yeah. So yes, I'm taking bacha. Sorry, I was solving it. That's why I missed your question. Sir, for vectors, 3D probability, ITF matrices, determinant, continuity. Okay. कितने marks आ सकते हैं? How many marks can come? Please say, sir. Please say, sir. Okay. Alright, I'll take your questions. There are a lot of questions aside. I'll talk about this after completing the questions, okay? That is my answer for you. Asmita, yes, okay. So anyone give your Instagram ID, okay? That I don't share over here, but it's not a safe thing to share your personal details. Rohit Jan is saying D, great. Please reply, sir. Okay. What is the reply? What is the question? Okay. Option is right, no? Ashmita? Option D is correct. Yes, very good. Question number 16 now. Okay. 16 now. Okay. Chaliye. So question number 16 we'll solve. What is the answer for this one? They are cube roots of infinity. Means they have property for this. What's the property? Sorry, the property is, it looks like this is the option, okay? That's why I'm going to change that. The property is 1 plus omega square. Sum of all the roots will be 0 actually. How come? Please check. X cube minus 1 equal to 0, right? Where's the second term? Is there a square term over here? There's no square term, okay? Sum of root means 1 plus all the roots. All the 3 roots equals to minus b by a. Minus b means b is 0. What is a, sir? A will become 1. Answer will be 0 only. That's what I've taken over here. 1 plus omega square is nothing but 0. That's the cube root of infinity property. This is too much. What is too much, sir? What is too much, bacha? I'll talk about this. I didn't get your Kalyan Rao. What is the question, bacha? I didn't get your question. Okay. What is the question? I did not get your question, okay? Please check. Let's continue with the problems now. Okay, sorry for getting distracted. So how do you solve this question? We have 4 more to go. Okay, we have 5 more questions to go. Let's solve this. We are going to compare for a square and b square. How do you solve this, sir? Please check. 1 plus omega plus a should be equal to 0. I get from here 1 plus omega plus a should be equal to 0. From here I get a value should be minus 1 plus omega, right? Minus 1 plus omega, right? This is a value. From here you're going to compare for b. So minus b plus 2 will be equal to 1. Minus b plus 2 will be equal to 1. From here I get b value as 1. Please check. Minus b plus 2 equals to 1. Comparing the matrix of 2 cross 2 order. So I want the value of a square plus b square. What is a square, sir? Square of this thing. So I'll have 1 plus omega square plus, what is b square, sir? Square of 1. So plus 1. I get this as 1 plus omega square plus 2 omega plus 1. I'm going to break this as 1 plus omega square plus omega plus 1, right? I'm writing this 2 omega as omega plus omega. Please check. This will become 0, sir. The property of unity, cube root of unity. Please check. 0. What I have this result as omega plus 1. Omega plus 1 means option C is correct. Option C is correct. Please check. Okay, guys. Yeah. I'll check Kanya, I'll check your comment. Don't worry. I'm just very late in the questions. A lot of students are waiting already. They can see the session is getting longer and longer. I want to complete the questions. Then only I'll take your your doubts. I have to think about that, right? So just give me some time. Okay. So option C is correct for everyone who's there. Yeah. All right. So option C is correct. Option section is done. 17th now. The component of I in the direction of vector this. Why this question is important, sir? Because you might do I into I. Don't do that. I'm talking about component of I in the direction of this. Means I have to talk about what, sir? Talk about if this is a vector A, I have to talk about A cap actually. I have to do A cap. So what is going to be this? So vector A upon mod of A, and our result will actually be I cap dot with A cap. Let's find A cap first. I have I plus j plus 2k upon, please check, mod of this will become 1 square is 1, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. I get root 6. So I plus j plus k by root 6. This is my A cap. Okay, I want I cap dot with A cap. Only I cap dot, right? So it means I have to talk about only this component. It will become, sir, 1 upon root 6, right? Dot product. Only magnitude, so just rationalize it. Root 6 by root 6. What I'm getting over here is, it will become root 6 by 6. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. Right, everyone? Yeah, great. Option C is correct. Okay, great. Chaliye. So let's move on to question number 18 now. If you have any doubt, guys, ask me, okay, about the questions. Chaliye. Another good question. Angle between two diagonal of a cube. Let's draw a cube. Chaliye. Let's draw a cube. So we have this as the cube, right? I have to take the coordinate axis. So we'll do that. This will become, let's say, my x-axis. This is my y-axis, and this is my z-axis. Now corners, if you check the corners, what I have over here, this is origin, so 0, 0, 0. Opposite of this will become this one. So we'll have this as a, A. This is in the xy plane, so we'll have x as a, y as a, z will be 0, because this point is in xy plane, right? And about this is on the z axis, it'll have only 0, 0 and a. Z axis, right? X is 0, y is 0 and z is a. Okay, so I'm looking for the, please check, angle, right? So I can write this value as, if I'm writing the vectors, no. So let's say I'm writing that diagonal d1. What I have for this will be for d1 from here to here. I'll write a minus 0 is ai cap, a minus 0 is again one more time a j cap, and a minus 0 will become again a k cap. Okay, for this vector I'm calling this to be, let's say, d1. Okay, and for d2 we'll have what, picture? Please check. A minus 0 will be again ai cap, a minus 0 will be again aj cap, and we have 0 minus a will become minus a k cap. I'm looking for the angle, right? So cos theta will become d1 dot with d2 upon mod of d1 and mod of d2. Please check. Dot means a into a will become a square, a into a will become one more time a square, and we have a into minus a will become minus a square. Okay, chaliye. So I don't need this over here, squares only, right? What I'm getting now as a denominator, please check, it'll become for the diagonal a square plus a square plus a square. So 3a square for the first one, 3a square, correct now? A square plus a square plus a square, 3a square. Same way for this one, d2, a square plus a square minus a the whole square, again 3a square only. Please check, this and this is cancelled. So I have this value as, numerator is simply a square, and I'm getting over here root 3a, root 3a. So it'll become 3a into a will become a square. Correct now? Root 3 a square will become a, over here root 3a. Root 3 root 3 will become 3, a will become, a into a will become a square. Cancelled. So I have cos theta as 1 by 3, excuse me, theta will become cos inverse of 1 by 3. Cos inverse of 1 by 3. Okay. So option A is correct. Lot of conversation between you guys. I'll just check. Okay. So option A is correct. Please check. Yes. Yes, Sujay. Very good. Very good, Sujay. Most options are B and C, sir, but don't do that. Okay, in the examination. If I'm missing it, write B, 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 B. Don't do that. Okay. DNAN edits is saying something like that. So standard result. Okay. It's A. Correct. Correct. It's A only, bacha. PY gives you more idea about the questions, that what kind of questions are coming, but it will not only that will be enough, of course. Yeah, bacha. For the second attempt, you are saying, right? We'll have, we'll see. We'll of course give you content whatever possible for the second attempt. Don't worry. Okay. Hi. Okay. Chaliye. So next question. 18th is done. 19th now. Okay. This one. Question number 19, who's solving this? Question number 19. Yes, okay, fine. I'll take a screenshot, okay? I'll take a screenshot. Kanya is saying something. I'm going to take a screenshot. I'm going to come back to this question later. Just completing the problem, don't worry. Okay. 19th domain. This x can be any real number. It's in numerator. This x cannot be 0. 1 minus mod of x cannot be equal to 0. Okay, it means mod of x cannot be equal to 1. It means x cannot be equal to minus 1 or 1. So from all real number, remove minus 1 and 1. Remove minus 1 and 1. Actually, this will be minus 1, no? And this will be plus 1. So from the all real number, please check on the number line. There's a minus 1 over here. There's a plus 1 over here. Keep it open. Rest all is closed. Rest all is closed. Please check. Rest all is closed, sir. Yeah. Open here. Closed. Closed. So means all real minus minus 1 and 1. Option D is correct. Option A is not right. Okay. Because this says minus 1 to 1. This says minus 1 to 1. Okay. Over here it says only minus 1 and 1. This is the difference. It has only two values, minus 1 and 1. Okay. Over here it has infinite value between minus 1 and 1. Option D is right. Option A is wrong. Please check. So I can see now. Yeah. Hello. Why not C? Why not C? Because you're removing all these numbers also. You're removing this part as well. Why are you removing this part? Why I can't take 0.5? Can I not take x as 0.5? Cannot take, okay, I've taken already, but I have to take after infinity also, after 1 also I have to take, right? I cannot take excess 2, please check. I cannot take excess 2. From here it says ending at 1, I cannot take excess 2. Please check, okay? Chaliye. Simple, no. Numerator x is all real, denominator only 1 and minus 1 is not part of the answer. So from all real, remove minus 1 and 1. Why difficult? Why making it difficult, okay? Chaliye. Alright. Sir, both Harish and okay, so I think Kanya is the class monitor, okay? Why Harish and Sumalata, why are disturbing other students? Okay, chaliye. So complaint is there. 87%. What is 87%, bacha? 81%. Okay, the result, okay. Chaliye. Let's solve now. Harish, don't disturb the class. Last few questions, 19th is done. 20th one. Okay. Chaliye. Who is solving this question? Domain of the function. Take this as t. Life will be easier. We're going to do that. We know that t square minus t minus 6 has to be more than 0. Can I take equal to? I cannot, because if you do that, it will become 0 in the denominator, means not defined. I have to take more than only. Factors, bacha, we know 10 t minus 3 and t plus 2 will come. Correct, na? Please check. Correct, right? Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. T square minus 3t plus 2t minus t. Factorize it, okay? From here I can get, number line is there. Please check. Minus 2 plus 3, here plus minus plus. Because the coefficient of this value is, somebody is saying B, C, I'm say getting. Okay, so one is saying D. Please check. Answer is A. I want to beat you guys, okay? After doing so many questions like this, you are saying this answer is what, sir? D, B, like that. Okay, no, please check. Positive value, right, from here to here. So answer will become, for t, what is the answer, sir? Please check. Answer will be negative infinity to minus 2, both of course open, union 3 to infinity, because I want positive, right? So means I have to look for positive signs. Plus, correct now? Why plus? You know that, right? Vevicub method. Please check the coefficient of t. We have 1 and 1, means positive 1 and 1. Start from plus. Why this is minus? Because the powers of these factors are only 1. Means I have to change the sign. If it was even, means I will not change the sign. If it was t minus 3 the whole square, it will become plus only. But we have t minus 3 power 1, means it will change the sign. So plus minus. Same over here. For t plus 2, with the power is, sir, 1. This power is 1, sir. It means odd power. So again the sign will change to plus. If it was, let's say, plus 2 or plus 4, the power as plus 2 plus 4, it will become minus only. So basically plus minus plus because of the Vevicub method approach, and we get the result as minus infinity to minus 2 and 3 to infinity. But this is for t. I'm looking for x, right? I'm looking for x value. Please check for x. Okay. Now for x, sir, this is okay. This is okay. How come? Because if I take minus, let's say I take here this value as minus 2.5. Correct. Now it will become simply minus 3. It will become minus 3. That's okay. Please check. It will become minus 3. Yeah. It will become 9 minus 3 will become 6. Yeah. So it will be, sir, what? 9 minus plus 3 minus 6. No problem, right? It's defined only. Okay. So I can take minus 3, not a problem. But when I'm taking union, I cannot take 3 to infinity. Because if you take 3 over here, even let's say there is no 3 over here, it means 3.1. It means 3.1. If I take here, bacha, 3.1 in this. If I take 3.1 in this, what is the answer? 3 only. Put here the value of x as 3. It will become 9 minus 3 minus 6, 0. You can't take 3.1, you can't take 3.2, you can't take 3.3. You can't take these values, 3.2, 3.9. You can't take that. Means if you take 3.9, what is the answer going to be? Please check. It will become 3 only. Answer will be again 0. Hence, I have to start from actually 4 to infinity. 4 to infinity. Please check. This is the result. Final result for x. For x, option is A. A very good question. Option is A. A very good question. Okay. So now you can see Varsha has given me the answer as A. Okay. Alright, let's solve next question, sir. This is clear, 20 is done. Do we have next question? Yes, we have one last, I think. This is last one only. Yeah, this is the last one. So give me the answer for 21, the last question of the day. Come on, guys. our efforts. Bhagya R is saying repeat. What repeat, sir? Previous question, please check. So this is okay now, this part is okay, right? We solve this to get the wavy curve part and get this as more than 3 and less than -2. Less than -2 is this part, more than 3 is this part. Now this is for t value. T is what, sir? GIF of x. But I want the answer. Domain means I'm talking about only x. This is the meaning of domain, right? So if I talk about only x, think about it. If I take -2, what does this mean? It means value up to -2. I can't take -2, so I can take minus, what do you call? Smaller than this. -2.5 I can take. What I get the result as? -3. I put the value over here, not a problem. It will become, what is it? 9 plus 6, 12, so it will become 6. I put here, -3 square will become, sir, 9. It will become basically what, bacha? Plus 3. So plus 3 in line is 12, -6 is going to be, how much, sir? 6. That is okay, right? I can take 6 over here as the result. So this is okay. This part is not a problem. This part is not a problem. But for this part, if you take 3 to infinity, I can take 3.1, 3.11, 3.111 up to 3.9999 like that. If you put value of 3.1, 3.2, 3.999 in the GIF, if you put 3.1, what is the answer? Answer is 3. Put 3.999, what is the answer? Answer is 3. If you put this value as 3, what will happen? It will become 9 minus 3 minus 6, 0. Because 3 is a root, right? Please check, 3 is a root. It will become 0. I cannot take this to be 0, correct, now, because it will become undefined. Hence, I cannot take 3.99999. What I have to take? From 4. That's why I started from 4 to infinity. This was the result for t. This is the result for x. Is it clear, Bhagya, now? Is this clear, Bhagya? Please check. Yeah, I understand, Bacha. Ashmita, this is a good question actually, but we have to learn. I hope you understood now, Ashmita. Ashmita is clear now, right? I want your answer, Ashmita. Okay, question number 21. The two lines LX my plus n, L dash x are perpendicular. Find slope. This slope is, let's say, m1. Find from here, it will become minus L upon m. Same thing, slope m2 will become minus L dash upon m dash. Perpendicular means m1 into m2 is -1. Okay, so I get from here minus L upon m into minus L dash upon m dash is -1. This also is minus. Please check. I'm gonna get this as minus into minus will be plus. So I'm getting over here L dash upon m dash is equals to -1. Cross multiply, I get L dash equals to minus m dash. Bring it on this side. I get L dash plus m dash equals to 0. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Okay, this is clear. Please check. Option D is correct. Everyone got this answer right. Vinayak has got the answer right. Others have not. I have a question from, okay, this is not here. How did you get 4? Yes, on this PDF, yes. Okay. Okay, it's okay, Kanya. Let them, bacha, everyone can give any answer. I'll, give you explanation why your answer is wrong. Don't worry about it, okay? Now, Sandeep Singh said, please provide a PDF. Bacha, PDF of the session will be given to you in the WhatsApp channel. Please join the WhatsApp channel. It will be available for free. You know that. If you have joined, you know that. If you don't know, you can join right now and get the sessions PDF available there itself. Okay. Now, somebody is saying, Asmita, how did you get 4? Asmita, the answer was, bacha, what? Minus infinity to minus 2. Open union 3 to infinity, right? This was for t, okay? This was for t. I'm looking for x actually. What is x, bacha? What is t value? T value is nothing but GIF of x, okay? Now think for x. If I take this value, what it means? It means less than -2. Take a x less than -2, okay? I take like this. Minus 2.5. Okay, what will happen? Minus 2.5 inside if you keep. Answer is what? -3. If you do that, you'll get this value of root. Inside you'll get this as 6. No problem. But if you take this as 3.9999 in this, what is the answer, bacha? Answer is 3. If you do that, in the root you get 0. If you get this as 0, if you do that, it will become 1 by 0. Now it will become 1 by 0. When, sir? When x is when this x is coming out as anything 3.99 like that. Okay, basically x is coming out as 3. X is coming out as 3. When x is 3, it will become 3.999. Okay, when you take 3.999, it will become bacha what? 1 by 0. Okay, so we can't do that. We can't do that. Hence, I have tried to remove the value from where to where. So I cannot take up to 3.99. What is the next value after that? 4 only, right? So 4 to infinity. Got it? I'm going to erase this part now. I'm going to erase this part. It's not part of this question. I'm going to erase this, okay? This is clear. Clear, clear, clear. Okay. Ashmita, clear now. Chaliye. Let's erase this and talk to you guys. I have a doubt from Kanya. I'm going to take that doubt right now. Otherwise, he's going to, scream at me. Sir, it's not available, sir. A video chapter also you said, but it's not available. Have joined WhatsApp. Okay, Sandesh, I'll talk to you. What chapters are not there, bacha? Let me know. The booster 1 is not there. Rank booster 1 is not there. Okay, I'll ask the team right now to send. Okay. Okay, where we want to join to get PDF. Bhagya, you have to join the WhatsApp channel. The link is given in the video description. Go ahead, check it out, and from there you can get the session's PDF. If it's not uploaded, I'll ask them to upload right now. Okay. And one more thing, there was a doubt from Kanya. I have a doubt. I have the question. Don't worry. I've taken a screenshot. Sir, please say vectors 3D probability ITF matrices determinant. कितने मार्क्स आ सकते हैं सर? Okay, बच्चा, if you actually have watched my session, no, I have given you number of question weightage. There's a video like that where I've talked about number of question, per chapter weightage from PU1, PU2. Okay, so if you check that out, I'll give you a rough idea because I don't remember exactly right now. But if you ask me, vectors almost 3 questions you can expect. Vector 3D total will become 5 to 6 questions. Probability will be again, bacha, from say PU2, PU1 2 to 3 questions. ITF will have again from PU1 1 or 2 questions. 1 question from ITF. Other question will be use of ITF in the calculus. So making 2 questions. Matrices, bacha, matrix determinant will have almost, including both the chapters, 6 to 7 or maybe 8 questions over there. Continuity and differentiability will have 6 questions like that. So Kanya, I've given your answer of the question. I hope this is clear. Kanya, is this clear? Okay, let me know. So can you provide short notes for last minute revision? Bacha, it will be difficult. I will be very honest with you. It will be very difficult to make all the sessions short notes for last minute revision. Okay, you can follow the one shot sessions PDF will be good enough, I think. Okay, chaliye. Okay, sir, thank you, no problem. Kanya, you can please check my session. I've made a session, okay, where I've talked about individual chapters, year-wise weightage. Okay, chaliye. Great. Ashmita, done. Great, bacha. Anything else we have? Sir, link. Bacha, okay, fine. If the link is not there right now, I'll ask the team. After the live is end, I'll go and talk to the team and they'll put the link of the WhatsApp channel right in the description. You can check that out, okay? Deeksha, Karnataka, welcome. Sir, please make available PDFs. Yeah, bacha, I'll talk to them. I'll take, okay, how to download PDFs, sir? I'll talk to them, okay? It's there in the WhatsApp channel. You can get the PDFs from there. All right, sir, your name, my name you're asking, then Dinan, okay, Dinan edits, okay, my name is Ankit Srivastav. Okay, so this is done. Everyone, any other questions you have? If I have forgotten something, please let me know. This is clear, everything is clear, guys. Okay, you can continue. There's no continue, bacha. This is done. I said total of 20. I thought 22 was there, but 20 questions, 21 questions only. This completes our session today. With this, I hope you like the session. I hope you enjoyed the session, right? Anything else you want to ask me, you can ask me. All right, again, you have a live at 3. It'll be a very short live. It'll not be a very big live, but we have a short live coming for all of you to, to talk about your PU2, and we're going to talk about a lot. There's a surprise coming from your way for the PU2 results also. So please be with us. Google account, sir, KCET will be easy. 45 to, 30, basically in chemistry, I don't know the chemistry trend because I personally like chemistry more because it gives me marks. Maths, it works so hard, you get less marks, okay? So chemistry will be easier, I would see, okay, if you know the concepts. Of course, direct answer will be, like direct approach questions will come. In mathematics, 30 questions will be easy, rest all will be challenging, okay? Chaliye. Sandesh, sir, for last revision, for whole syllabus in less time, what to do? So I am actually thinking of making one session for but give me some time, not right away. We are starting few more things on our channel, don't worry. We are starting more, whatever we can do the best possible way, we'll do it for all of you. for all the subjects. Okay, so we are doing something also. This will be not it. We'll have more things coming your way in the KCET examination. Content will be coming your way. So we are planning few more things. It'll be a surprise, but not too much. Okay, it'll be coming in 1 or 2 day time. So be on the channel. Keep the notification turned on so that any update comes your way. Actually, you should be in the WhatsApp channel, because anything that is coming your way, comes first updated in the WhatsApp channel. Okay. One more thing, we give you a schedule per day. Means today what is the video coming with the time. So when you get in the, if you're in the channel, you'll know morning 6 a.m. only that today this time video is coming at this time. So you'll have a proper planning in your study. Okay. Hours. I mean, sir, how to download the PDF in WhatsApp? Sir, KCET will be easy. But I think the PDF will be available in the WhatsApp channel. Okay, if you're there, I think you should be able to see it. Okay, please check. If not, I'll just ask the team to upload it. Okay, and get back to you right now. We'll give you result. I understand you are all worried about the PDFs. I'll ask the team right now if we'll provide the link directly of the sessions, like WhatsApp channel, in the comment section of this live. Okay, so that works. So I didn't studied anything. How can I start? You can start from doing the master stroke one shots videos. Okay, focus on high weightage. Even if you start right now, focus on high weightage topics and solve questions from the PYQ section at least. So high weightage topics, PYQs you have to do right now. Okay, start something from there. Sandesh, which I told the sessions, what do you call, master stroke sessions will be there. So those notes you can use. I'm gonna ask the team to upload the notes. Okay. If you have joined the Abhyas KCET test series, we have already given the notes there also for all the sessions. You can check there from there as well. Asmita is saying bye sir, bye bacha. Google account, thanks sir, thanks Google. Okay, Google account. What is this name? Okay. Kani is saying bye Asmita. Okay. Handes Gokulkar master stroke PDFs are also not available. That's not possible. Okay, I'll check right now. Okay, I'll check the team. Something might be wrong. Okay, I'll check the team. Sir, I need a rank under 10,000. That you're hoping for better, bacha. We are putting so much effort for 10,000 rank. No. Okay, if you've got a good rank, good marks in PU2, you can actually get a very good rank. Just first thing is trust yourself, bacha. Trust yourself. Believe in yourself. Have the self-belief. Very important. Have this self-belief. Okay. You should trust yourself. Okay. Tell me what is I forgot of spelling of belief. Is it right? My mark is 240, PUC marks is 240. No problem. What you can do right now is give your energy for the KCET examination. Focus your maximum output in the KCET examination, and then you can give the reattempt. Okay, give the reattempt and make this 240, 280, 270. Then it'll be good, right? Yes. Thank you, sir, for the session. Very, very helpful. Welcome, Raksha. Bye, Deepak. Okay. Jagadevi is saying bye. Bye, Jagadevi. Raksha, thank you, sir, for the session. Very helpful. Okay, done. Bye, Varsha. Bye. Kanya, sir. Wait, Jagadevi. Sir is saying something. No, bacha. If you want, you can leave. Okay, no problem. The session is over. There's nothing else to add from my side. You have to plan something. You have to study something. Go ahead and do that. Nothing. You don't have to wait right now. Okay. I'm just waiting for you to leave. Then only I'll leave. Okay. Chaliye. Something else is there. Bye, sir. Okay. Anything else I missed? Bye. My PCM marks 269. How much should I score to get a score? Aim for 150 plus right now in KCET, and then after this KCET exam is over, please write reattempt of the boards and get 280, 290. Okay, 269 is there, not bad, but try to get 285, 290 plus in your PCM. Okay, Raksha, this works. Can I get rank at 1,000 without studying maths? Okay, that is not possible. Now think about it. 1,000 means you have to score 150 plus, right? 140, 150 plus. Then how will it work? 60 to 60. Even if you get out in physics, chemistry, will it work, bacha? No, right? Very helpful this. Thank you, bacha. Bye, Ashmita. Bye, Bhagya. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye, Kanya. Okay, chaliye. So with this, I'm going to end the session today. I hope to see you again very soon. Till then, just keep working hard. I can just see some comments are there if somebody is asking something. Sir, there are any priority for a specific subject for mathematics? Priority is there. PU2 priority is there. Na? PU2 has high weightage, so priority is there in the high weightage topics of PU2. That works? Okay. Sandesh, this is it. So that's it, guys. So as if somebody is planning to buy the KCET test series, you have to buy right now. Okay, 2 p.m. is already over. The offer is gone. Okay, The offer is gone. Sorry, I thought it will be some minutes left, but 2 p.m. already over. No sir, for rank. Any priority for specific subject for maths? For rank, I think, oh yeah, maths has priority, right? If you get the, let's say you get the same rank, no, then maths will be, somebody who's having the highest marks in maths will get the, of course, preference in the rank. Okay, that is there. Yes, Ravi Kumar, PDF I want. I understand. I'll just go talk to the team once the live is over. I'll go talk to the team and they'll update it on that. Okay. You're welcome, Kanya. No problem. You're welcome. I'm here for that only. That's my job profile, to help my students. Okay. Okay, so done. I think that is it, guys. So please join for the next session. Live is at 3 p.m. You all be coming. This is regarding PU2. Will be not big live. 15-20 minutes we'll talk. And we have a surprise for all of you. So be there. It's a very important live. Okay. Chaliye. Okay, sir. You are very sweet. Thanks, sir. You're welcome, Sandesh. No problem. Okay. So with this, the session is over. I have to see you again very soon in the next live. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.